Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of history. Today we are going to read about the question and answers of your lesson number 4, the Mesopotamian civilization. So now let's start with the question number 1. Who was Hammurabi? Write about his code of law. Answer: Hammurabi was a great Mesopotamian king. Hammurabi got inscripted his code of law and rules on a huge rock pillars. It deals with the 282 laws about every aspect of the main life. It consists A. Punishment for sins and faults, law of marriage, property, etc., wages, contracts, banking, theft, murder, etc. Now write about the features of Mesopotamian civilization. Location: this river exists in the land between two rivers, Tigris and Euphrates, in 1400 BC. B. Political descriptions. Politically, the civilization was divided into small states who were always fighting with each other. Kings was all powerful. Important rulers of this civilization were: first A was Sargon, second Hammurabi, C Ur-Nammu, and D Tiglath-Pileser I. Society has three classes: upper class, middle class, and lower class. Kings, princes, traders, teachers, slaves, and nobles, priests, merchants, landlords, peasants, landlords, etc. D was the religion. Mesopotamians worshipped many gods and goddesses, and every town has its own gods. Who lived in ziggurat. Important gods were Enlil, Enkai, and Utu, Nana, Ninhur Sag, Marduk, Asur, Ishtar, etc. These all are the god and goddesses. Priests were respected a lot. Education and knowledge. Literature, astronomy, medicine, and language were well developed, and the famous epic of this period was Gilgamesh. Mesopotamians were first to develop algebra and geometry. An hour had 60 minutes and each minute had 60 seconds. Circle was divided into 360 degree. Digit 10 and 100 were invented. Their calendars had 12 months and each month had 30 days. Scripts. Mesopotamian invented the art of writing using wet clay tablets. Their pens had sharp points and were made of bone. This was called cuneiform, that is wedge-shaped script. It has 350 signs and was written from right to left. Now, from page 33, you have to draw a cuneiform. This is your copy work. Now, we move to your book work. In the fill in the blanks, the tower with a temple on the top was called ziggurat. Temples were the center of economic activities. The Hanging Garden was located in Babylon. Most of the buildings in Mesopotamia were made of baked mud, and the invention of wheel by Sumerian revolutionized transport. Match the column. Hanging Garden of Babylon, architect wonder. Mesopotamia, the land between two rivers. Hammurabi, code of law. Dingir, Telo, Sumeria. Dingir is the god and goddesses, and library, Telo, Sumeria. True false. The Mesopotamian civilization emerged in the West Asia. False. Hammurabi founded the first Sumerian empire. False. There was a big library in Telo in Sumeria. It is not Ur, it's a Telo, so it's a false. The scribes wrote on a clay tablet was stylus. True. And the king of Uruk, Gilgamesh, is presented a superhuman in the epic of Gilgamesh. True. Now, name the 4 regions which contributed to the development of Mesopotamian. First is Sumer, second is Akkad, third Babylonia, and fourth is Syria. Question number 4. Who were the main gods of Mesopotamia? Enlil, god of air. Enkai, god of water. Etu, sun god. And Nana, moon god. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in our next session with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.